Hello everyone, this is Victoria again here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Today we're gonna review these shoes. The name is ESTEEM, and they are ESTEEM-709, and they are 7-inch. As usual, they bring with this box, red, my favorite color, and with this travel bag, which is really important for me. I always say the same. For me, it's super necessary because you just take shoes in, your shoes in, and you can go wherever you need, wherever you need. It's so good. It's so good for me. I always take my shoes like this because take the box is it's sometimes really uncomfortable because it's big, but with the travel bag it's super good. It's super necessary. Okay, and they bring as well with this dust-free bag for protect them from any damage. And look, these beautiful shoes. Black is my second favorite color because black going good with everything. They bring with platform, 7-inch, ankle strap, super grippy button, and they bring cushioning on the bottom, which is really good for make them super comfortable. Okay, next one. I really like 7 inches because for me it's the perfect inch. It's a perfect inch because it's not too tall but it's not too small, so you can handle very good, and you look elegant and really beautiful as well. I gonna be super tall with this one, but I can try if you want 8 or 9 or 10. So if you want me to try maybe 10-inch, please leave your comment and like Victoria in 10-inch. I know you really want that. Okay, let's try. They are super comfortable. I'm in love with these blacks. What do you think, guys? Also with my nails today, they are super good, going super good. I can't have allow my shoes many blacks one, because they are super necessary, because you always need black. They are super comfortable. I feel like I don't wear such a high heels. What do you think, guys? Did you like them? And I really love when they bring with the ankle strap, because make you feel super secure, so you are more comfortable. I really love these ones. You can use with everything. You can use with dress, with pants, with shorts, formal, casual. Okay, guys, as usual, we go to walk around a little bit for show you how amazing look under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments here. If you want me to try 10 or 9 inches, please leave your comment, and don't forget to click on the little bell for don't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. I really love how I feel with these ones. Really comfortable, super secure. Such a beautiful day here in Australia. I love this weather. Make me feel close to home. Oh my God, they are super comfortable. It's unbelievable. I can walk on these maybe all day without problem. I love this style because it's going good with every occasion, with if you need to go to the party, if you need to go to the cinema, dinner, whatever you can use. You can use with whatever you want. I'm gonna turn around or show you every angle of these ones. But they are perfect. Perfect, perfect. If you need some shoes which can use with everything, this one, this style, definitely. And also, as I told you, they make me feel that 7 is perfect. It's perfect for me. I look tall, but they are really easy to walk. But I'm still super tall. What do you think, guys? I know you're gonna love this one like me. Even I don't wanna to take them off. I really, really love and enjoy to walk on this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.